Okay, today we are going to be unboxing and also setting up a hand operated centrifuge. So this centrifuge, unlike the electric type, is operated using your hand. You just crank it manually, so you don't need electricity or anything. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to use it. So first we have the main engine itself. So this is the main engine, and then we also have the handle here. So this is the handle, and then you gently place this handle here, ensuring that it laps and it fits properly. Then next we have the table or the set where you put your centrifuge buckets. So that stays here. And then the last thing we have in our hack here is the centrifuge bucket or holder. So we have 4 of them, and you just carefully place them. Now we have them all set up in the rings. Now the next thing we want to do is using this tool here. You have to keep it clamped or fixed on a bench, so this works perfectly on a bench. So here I'm just going to use this to create space. So now we can mount our setup on our workbench. So I'm going to take this off. So we use this as our workbench for now, and then you secure it tightly on your bench, so it's going to be steady and strong and firm. So I'll attach back my handle. Now if you have your centrifuge tube with your specimen in, you can put them here. So this uses 10mm centrifuge tube, and with that, with this crank, you can begin to use the equipment how you should. So that's how to use this item. To get this item and every other item, you can send us a message or visit our website at www.simmyfranks.com.